Έχουμε μαζί μας τον σκηνοθέτη Βίταλιν Σάμιν, του οποίου θα δούμε τη ταινία σε πανευρωπαϊκή πρεμιέρα σε λίγες μέρες. Η ταινία λέγεται «Σημειώσεις από ένα νέο κόσμο» και θα μας πει έτσι δύο λόγια για την ταινία. Mr. Samin, welcome here to the...
Thank you very much.
We would like us to explain a little the film story. In the synopsis, you say that you are inspired from Dostoevsky Underground,
Right,
the book that many Greeks have read. So you have to explain us a little the connections between.
Well, look, it's a certain retelling of the. I took Dostoevsky as a structure. It's a mythical structure, and I built on it modern story to be for the modern audience.
More?
Modern audience, so contemporary audience, and because Dostoevsky discovered certain things like in Greek tragedy, he discovered certain connection between human beings that remains, for eternity. I think so.
It's classical.
Right, it's classical, right. And I just built on it. Because I think, as a human being, we're all equal. If you just copy exactly 19th century, it will not be, appropriate as far as the cinema medium is concerned. Right, that's correct. In addition, this particular movie was inspired by two other sources. It's Magus by John Fowles. It's a wealthy Greek guy who manipulates the people. It's a very great English novel. And another one is Paulo Coelho.
Paulo Coelho.
Yes, it's Alchemist.
Alchemist. So you have many different.
That's correct. But you see, both of these guys couldn't exist as far as their work are concerned without Dostoevsky, because they are influenced by one way or another.
Okay. So the first influence is Dostoevsky.
Yeah, it's not only influence; it's just structure, main structure, right?
Main structure.
Right.
Then you said Paulo Coelho, Alchemist, and the third one?
Paulo Coelho, Alchemist, and the third one, John Fowles.
John Fowles.
The Magus.
The Magus.
Yes.
The Magus, it's
the Magus.
The Magus, it's a Greek word. It's the one who can handle the people and the audience.
That's correct, exactly.
So, could you tell us exactly the story of your film a little? I remember it's a story in a story.
It's story in the story. It's a wealthy playwright hiring a guy in order to write his play. He hired the guy to check. Based on what he will write his play. And he asked him to invite a Russian prostitute, because in the original story, the guy meets Russian prostitute, and he rejects her by the end. And he wants to know if it will happen again. So he manipulates these two people, asking them to play the same story in life. But then something unexpected happens. Russian mafia comes to the story. Some money, and things like that. And by the end, a couple of people were simply killed.
So he understands that he cannot separate life from the film.
That's correct. That when you start something, you cannot stop it. It's already, moved by itself, and you have no power on it.
So let me translate a little. Η ταινία, όπως αναφέρεται και στην περίληψη, είναι εμπνευσμένη από το βιβλίο υπόγειο του Ντοστογεύσκη. Ωστόσο, όπως μας εξηγήσε ο σκηνοθέτης, αυτό ουσιαστικά λειτουργεί πιο πολύ δομικά. Είναι ουσιαστικά η βάση της ταινίας και η βάση της υπόθεσης. Κατά τα άλλα, ο ίδιος έχει πολλές επιρροές και από τον Πάολο Κοέλιο, από τον Αλχημιστή και από τον δημαγωγό του Fowles. Όπως μας εξηγεί, στη ταινία προσλαμβάνεται ένας νέος σκηνοθέτης στην προσπάθεια να δημιουργήσει μια ταινία για το υπόγειο του Ντοστογεύσκη, αλλά κάπου εκεί η ζωή, η πραγματικότητα και ο κινηματογράφος εμπλέκονται και ουσιαστικά the hero is between two women. He has to choose. He's in love with both of them.
Right, and each of them pretended to be somebody else.
Και στο τέλος, βέβαια, ο ήρωας βρίσκεται μεταξύ δύο γυναικών που είναι ερωτευμένος και με τις δύο. Η καθεμία υποκρίνεται ότι είναι κάποια άλλη και πρέπει να διαλέξει.
Right.
So, and you won the award in the Moscow Festival film,
That's
thriller
correct.
film,
Yes.
as I remember.
Yes.
So that was some months ago.
It was in April, by the end of April, this year.
Okay, εντάξει. Και στα τέλη Απριλίου η ταινία του διακρίθηκε και στο φεστιβάλ της Μόσχας για ταινίες μυστηρίου.
Yeah.
Okay, so I wish you a lot of success.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.